What's up, gang? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your MT4, your MT5 app. Now, for me personally, I prefer the MT5 app simply because it is more advanced than the MT4. Now, here are a list of topics we'll be covering in this video. First of all, I'll show you guys how to change your lot size on your MT4, your MT5 app. Then we'll talk about different types of market orders. Then I'll show you guys how to change time frame, how to switch from maybe like 15 minutes time frame to the 1 hour time frame. So basically, I'll just show you guys how to use the MT4 or MT5 app. So without further more ado, let's dive right into the video.
Now when you open your MT4 or your MT5 app, this is the interface that you see. You only see this interface if you already have an account, a demo account or a live account with a broker. So in case you want to know how to create an MT4 or MT5 demo account, watch the video with the link above this video right now. Now let's get started. Now this interface is called the quotes interface. This is where you'll be able to add the currency pair that you want to trade, and this is where you also be able to delete the currency pair that you don't want to trade. So let's say for example you want to add currency pairs. All you have to do is to click on this plus icon right here. When you click on this plus icon, you will see a search bar that asks you to search for the currency pair you want to add. Let's say for example we want to add CHF JPY. Once you search for it, you will see the currency pairs right here. Once you click on it, it will be added automatically to your quote interface. So when you go back, you see that CHF JPY has been added automatically for you. Now if you want to delete any currency pair right here, maybe you don't like anyone here, you want to delete it, you click on the pencil icon right here. Once you click on the pencil icon, all you have to do is to click on the delete icon. Once you click on the delete icon, you now have to select the currency pairs that you want to delete. Let's say for example, we want to delete CHF JPY, you tap on it. And we also want to delete AUD USD, you also tap on it. After tapping on them, you click on the delete icon, and both of them will be deleted automatically. Now let's go back to the quote interface. As you can see, both AUD USD and CHF JPY has been deleted automatically. Now if you want to see your chart, you click on this place that says chart. You see the currency pair chart that you have selected. This icon right here that says trade is for you to see your open trades, maybe trades that you have taken. This is where you see the trades. And this is where you also see your account balance, your equity, your margin, your free margin, and your margin level. Now if you want to see trades that you have taken previously, maybe previous week, yesterday, or 2 days ago, once you click on it, you see the trades that you've taken previously, maybe previous week, yesterday, 2 days ago, or last month. Now the message interface right here will be able to send you message. This is where your broker send you message. If you're about to blow your account, they'll send you message here. If there's also a news summary, your broker will also send you the message here. Now let's go back to the quote interface. Now let's look at different types of trading orders and how to use them on your MT4 or your MT5 app. So if you want to place a trade, let's say on USD JPY right now, all you have to do is to click on USD JPY. Once you click on it, you'll see these options right here. First option says new order. Second option, chart, property, depth of market, market statistics, simple view mode. Apart from new order and chart, I don't think you'll be making use of any of these four options right here. So if you want to place an order on USD JPY right now, you click on new order. Now this is where you need to pay close attention. So there are different types of trading orders. We have instant market execution, we have buy limit or sell limit, we have buy stop or sell stop, and we have buy stop limit and sell stop limit. If you want to buy at the current price right now, you use instant market execution. Now if you want to buy at a future price, maybe you're waiting for price to get to a certain level, then you buy, you can use buy limit. Now if you want to buy at a future price, maybe once price starts going up, going higher, then you want to buy at that point, you use buy stops. Buy stops and buy stop limits are almost the same thing, so you use them in the same scenario. Now let's look at how these trading orders work. So if you want to buy using instant market execution, you click on instant market execution and you click on either buy or sell. So for this example, we'll be using the buy button. So you click on buy. And once you click on buy, your order will be added for you automatically. To see your order, you go to trade and you see that USD JPY buy order has been placed. So you either be in profit or in loss. Now let's talk about how to change lot size on your MT4 or MT5 app. To change lot size, if you click on the USD JPY pair and click on new order, this number here that says 0.001, this is where you'll be able to change your lot size. So to change your lot size, you click on it and you edit it. So let's say for example you want to use one standard lot size. You click on one, then you place the order with a one standard lot size. I'm not going to do that because it is going to put my account in a very big loss because I do not have any setup right now. So if you click on one, you'll be able to place your trade in a one standard lot size. So use 0.50 lot size, you click on 0.50. Now 0.50 is half lot size of one standard. So you'll be able to place trade with 0.50 lot size. So this is how to change lot size on your MT4, your MT5 app. Now the next we'll be talking about is how to set TP and stop loss, which is take profit and stop loss, both on MT4 or MT5 app. So to do that, you go to the trade interface. Now once you go to the trade interface, let's say you want to set TP or stop loss for USD JPY pair. All you have to do is to slide to the left. Once you slide to the left, you see these options right here. Now the first one is if you want to close the trade, you click on the first one. Let's slide again. You click on this first one right here. Click on this first one right here to close the trade. Once you click on it, you see the option that says close with loss because I'm in loss. So if I'm in profit, it will say close in profit. So once you click on it, your trade will close for you automatically. Now let's go back. So to set TP and stop loss, you click on this pencil icon right here. Now once you click on the pencil icon, you see these options that says SL and TP. This and this. This is stop loss, while this is take profit. Now to get your stop loss or take profit, you go back to the chart. So let's go back to the USD JPY chart. Now you click on chart if you're in USD JPY. If you're not in USD JPY, if you want to go to USD JPY chart, you click on USD, then click on chart, and it will take you to USD JPY chart. So since we are in a buy position, we want to set our stop loss. We need to set our stop loss below the current price which we got into the trade. So let's say for example, I want to set my stop loss right here below this candle. I want to set my stop loss right there. All I have to do is to crown this number that is written beside this cross line right here, which is this 146.328. 146.328 is my stop loss, which I want to set on that USD JPY pair. Now all I have to do is go back to the trade, slide left, click on the pencil icon, and put in my stop loss 143. I've forgotten it, but let me just use any number, any random number, 143.659. Now click on modify. And once I click on modify, I'll go back to the chart. So you see that your stop loss has been placed for you automatically in the chart. So this red line right here is your stop loss. Now there's one thing that I love about the MT5 app, which is the advantage you have over the MT4. So on your MT5 app, you really don't need to start doing this thing that I'm doing right here. So this is just for people that are using MT4. So for MT5 app, all you have to do is to click on that. Let me delete the stop loss. Let me delete it. So once I delete the stop loss, I want to show you guys one thing about MT5 app. To set your stop loss on MT5 app, you really don't need to go through that stress. All you have to do is to click on that position you added, which is a buy. Once you click on it, click on it. If you click on it, you see these options right here that says number one says close, two says stop loss, which is SL, and the other one says TP, which is take profit. Now, I want to set stop loss. You click on SL. Now, once you click on SL, you see that your SL line will appear on the screen right here. All you have to do is to drag it to the point where you want your stop loss to be. Let's say once you still want to keep it below these candles right here, or let's say this low right here. Once you've taken it to the point where you want your stop loss to be, you click on this blue arrow. Once you click on this blue arrow, it will take you to this interface and you click on modify. Now once you click on modify, your stop loss will be placed for you right there. Same thing goes for TP, which is take profit. If you want to set your take profit has to be above because you are buying. So you click on your order right there and click on TP. Once you click on TP, the take profit line will appear on your screen. You also drag it to wherever you want it to be. Let's say you want your take profit to be at this high. You place it right there and also click on the blue arrow to take you to this same interface. Then you click on modify. Now you have automatically added both your stop loss and your take profits without going through the stress of editing this interface, because you might forget the number just like I did. So this is actually how to set your take profit and TP. Now the next thing we're talking about is how to switch time frame on your MT4 or your MT5 app. So to switch time frame on MT4 or MT5, just tap on the screen. Once you tap on the screen, you see these options right here. Now you can see that we have M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, and MN. So M1 is 1 minute time frame. M5, we switch to M5. This is 5 minutes time frame. If you tap on the screen again, you can switch to another time frame, which is, let's switch to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Tap on the screen again. So you just tap on the screen and change the time frame you want to change to. So this is how to change your time frame on MT4 or your MT5 app. So if you know you got a great value from this tutorial, do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell and smash the like button so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a new video.